In this video, we are going to explore JavaScript Date Object. Now, this date object is one of the built-in object in JavaScript that allows us to work with date and time. We can use this to create, manipulate, compare, and format date and time in our code. So let's get started. The first thing we need to know is how to create date objects. There are four ways to do this in JavaScript. The first way is using the new date constructor without any argument. Then this will create a date object with the current date and time of the system. Now to do this, we can write let current date is equal to new date like this. Now if I hit save and if we log this current date variable, you can see the current date and time according to your region. So this is the first way of creating date using our date constructor. Now the second way is using this new date constructor with a numeric value as an argument. Then this will create a date object with the date and time corresponding to the number of milliseconds since January 1, 1970 UTC. This is also known as the Unix time or the JavaScript timestamp. Now in order to do this, we can write let birthday is equal to new date. Now here we are going to write milliseconds like this, and now if we log this birthday variable, you can see now we have Saturday, January, and the year is 2000. And now the date that we have in our console is according to these milliseconds. Now the third way of creating date is using this new date constructor with a string value as an argument. This will then create a date object with the date and time parsed from the string. The string should follow a format that can be recognized by the date dot parse method, such as year, then month, then day, or month, day, and year, like this. Now to create a date object with a specific date string, we can write let anniversary is equal to new date. Then here we are going to provide a date string like 2024 02-14. Now if I hit save and if we log this anniversary variable, now we have our date, which is Wednesday, February, and the date is 14 and the year is 2024. Now the fourth way is by using this new date constructor with these numeric values as arguments. This will create a date object with the specified date and time components. This year should be a 4-digit number, then this month should be a 0 based index where 0 for January and 11 for December. Then these values should be in the range of 0 to 59 except for this millisecond, which should be in range of 0 to 999. Now to create a date object with specific date and time component, we can write let meeting is equal to new date, and here we can write 2024 for our year. Then for our month we can write 1, and after this we have our day, which is 16, and after this we have hours, which we can write 17. Then for minute and second I am going to write 0 and 0 like this. Now if we log this date and if I hit save, you can see we have our date which is Friday, and the month we have is February, and the date is 16, and the year is 2024. Now, these are the four ways through which we can create our date in JavaScript. Now, that is it for today's video. In our next video, we will learn getting and setting date and time components. So, I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to join this web development journey with us. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Keep coding and keep creating. I will see you in the next video.